welcome in today's video. Are you planning to prepare moi moi or akara? I want to teach you the best and easy way to wash your beans. Some people use this to wash their beans to remove the chaff. It can get you injured and it will take you a lot of time. Some people use their hands to scrub their beans. It will take you a lot of time. Don't do this. I will teach you easy and best and faster way to wash your beans. Let's get started. Pour it on a clean flat surface and remove all the dirt. Anything that is not beans, remove it. You can see. Soak it in hot water for 2 minutes. Pour the beans in a blender with water. So blend it a little just to remove the chaff. I will pour this. Do it a couple of times until you blend all the beans. Until you started seeing the inner white part of the beans, just to remove the chaff. You can see I'm stopping. Don't continue blending. Pour all the beans in a bowl and remove the chaff with a sieve. You can see how I'm doing it. This is the chaff. Then mix with your hands. You will get all the chaff. I'm going to turn off this water and put another water. Make sure you put enough water so that the chaff will float. Let's pour out the water. If the beans is okay. Your beans is now ready to be blended. You can see how simple and easy it is to wash your beans. Please support your sister, your friend by subscribing to our channel. Please. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye.